Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at an 18 karat Ever Rose Gold Rolex Daytona with a Sundust diamond baguette dial. The model reference number for this watch is 116505. Retail price on this watch in 2022 is $46,700 US. Rolex Daytona is one of Rolex's most iconic watches in their sports watch lineup. So I'm going to be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement. And I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Rolex Daytona is a 40mm chronograph watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full-size watch for most guys, and it's slightly smaller than the Rolex Mariner. It actually slides under the shirt cuff easily. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up. You just want to make sure you actually screw down your chronograph pusher buttons here on the top and on the bottom. Make sure they're actually nice firm so water can't get in the case. Let's try this watch on for size. It's a nice heavy case because of the rose gold feature. Now, well, it's not sized to my wrist. It does fit my wrist from lug to lug. It looks appropriate on there. It doesn't look overly large or high profile or anything like that. It's a good looking watch. Let's take this off so we can work with it a little bit more. Now, if you look at the bezel, the matching bezel is crafted in 18 karat Ever Rose Gold with engraved markers or numbers and indices highlighted in black going all around the bezel. Looks really nice. Yeah, I like that contrast of the lettering on the bezel against the Ever Rose Gold. Now, going into the dial here, we were looking at a beautiful sunburst dial with a diamond index baguette hour markers, sword-shaped hour and minute hands applied with lume. Let's go ahead and turn this light off, see if there's any lume chroma light in these hour marker or these hands. And you can see them on the hands, the hour and minute hands. So you can still tell time. It's just not going to be any hour markers because they don't have any luminescence on them. So, well, you'll also notice here that there's no date window on this watch. This might not be your daily watch, so there's room in the stable for another Rolex, like a Datejust or a Submariner that does have a date. Now, going on to the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, it can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. And you can see that 6 o'clock subdial actually has the actual seconds function. You can see that the watch is actually operating right there. Now, one more click out, you'll be able to change the time on this, the hand settings. So right now they're at the 10 and 2 o'clock position. Let's just move it over a couple hours. And then once you have it set to the correct hours that you want, then you can go ahead and screw down the crown, back down, and your watch should be set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4130. It has the hour, minute, and sub-second function, and also a power reserve of about 72 hours. It also has a chronograph function that you can see with the top pusher button and bottom pusher button. Let's go ahead and so they're secured down, so they're actually waterproof and watertight here. Being that this movement has a 72-hour power reserve, you can actually set this watch down on a Friday night, take it back on a Monday morning, and it's still going to be keeping time. Now, going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we are looking at an all 18 karat Ever Rose Gold bracelet. or Oyster Bracelet with a half polish. Now this half polish means that the center links are a high polish, and the outside links have a satin finish. So you can see that nice contrast between the links, even though it's still the same metal. This also folds together with the folding oyster lock deployment, as you can see here. Lift that out, and then you can open up that deployment there. The deployment buckle also has what's called an Easy Link 5mm extension underneath to loosen up the watch. The way that works is while the watch is on your wrist, you can actually open up the watch strap or loosen it out about another 5mm just by popping out the bottom of this buckle, and it will actually extend it another 5mm to allow your wrist to breathe more. It's a really nice thought, so it doesn't strangle your wrist. Now, for my thoughts on what I think about this watch, the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona is a nod to the Rolex 24 race at the Daytona International Speedway held in Daytona Beach, Florida. Now, winning drivers receive a Rolex Daytona watch as a gift, so that's pretty nice. However, there's other ways of getting your hands on a Rolex Daytona than winning a high-speed car race. So you can find this watch on jazztime.com. The Rolex Daytona comes in stainless steel, two-tone stainless steel in yellow gold, 18 karat yellow, white, or ever rose gold, and it even comes in platinum. So it's the only watch that Rolex offers with the chronograph function, for that matter. So now if you want to know where to get this watch, yes, go to jazztime.com. We have a website. The model reference number is 116505. This is the Cosmograph Rolex Daytona in 18 karat ever rose gold with a bracelet and the new Sundust diamond dial with Baguette hour markers. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Click on the link in the description below, jazztime.com. Thank you all for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.